Hey everybody, I'm Scott Huntsman. I'm at my Tunex automotive shop here in South Jordan. Now if you remember, this beautiful Toyota Tacoma pickup belongs to my brother, Doug. Now we did a lift kit on this a couple of years back. We brought the front up 3 inches and the rear by 2. The truck looks great, but I've been needling my brother about a couple of things. Wheels, they're still the stock Toyota wheels. There's nothing wrong with those. Tires, well, they're still the original size. I'm gonna go with a little bigger wheel. This is a 16 inch, I'm gonna go an 18 inch, and I'm gonna go a 33 inch tall tire. Yes, I believe I can stuff that under this truck, give it a really beautiful look. Let's get started. Let me show you my wheel of choice and the tire of choice. I've already mounted them up. The Geolander, this is made by Yokohama. This is the XAT. This is the latest generation in Yokohama's all-terrain tire. I really like these on customers' vehicles as well as my own because of their very quiet ride down the highway, smooth ride, excellent traction, really good off-road capability. These tires will air down very well, down to even 8 pounds if necessary. This is a 285/70/17, so it is a 33-inch metric equivalent. I've also chosen the Fuel Off-Road Assault Black Matte Finish Milled Wheel. You see a similar pattern on the grille of the front of the Toyota. So for me, these wheels just pop, and I just like the looks of these. I think they're super, super sharp. This will go on to most of your Ford pickups as well as the Toyotas. Now, I want this to just come outside of the fenders just a little bit with the tires. It gives it a better handling and it gives it a better look. And that's what I'm after 100%. So one of the crowning moments of getting these wheels on is installing the beautiful center caps that they come with. This covers up all the lug nuts, the center hub, etc. Very, very, very nice. I like Fuel wheels because of their decorative design, and the center cap is just part of it as the rest of the wheel. I'm liking the fit so far. Let's get outside, let's take a look. Project complete. Now, if you ask me, this is a striking difference before and after. I really like what this additional tire size has done. I like the fact that we're just barely beyond the fender, and these things look fantastic. The design of the wheel matches this truck. It's larger, it makes it look a lot more robust. It's gonna off-road good with these tires. This couldn't have turned out better. Now, hey, if you have any questions about all this, shoot me an email, scott@AYLTV.com. If you got questions about these kinds of wheels, what they fit on, hey, we can help you with the answers to those. In the meantime, I'm Scott Huntsman at Tunex South Jordan. More at your leisure in a moment.